Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sylvester on Expose Info TV. If you are just coming across my channel right on the internet, I make videos centered around making money on the internet. I welcome you to this channel, and if you are a returning viewer right on this channel, I welcome you back onto this channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make $50 per hour from anywhere in the world. So what you just literally do is you make player. So player in what way? So I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do. You don't have to go anywhere before you start making this money. So right from your home, right from the comfort of your home, you can just set up everything and start making money. Okay, so let's jump straight to it right now. So right here, this is what I'm going to be sharing with you right now. So what you basically do is you get paid to become friend to people. So you can earn up to $50 depending on you. So and plus you get free food, you attend free concerts, free sporting events, and a lot of them. Okay, so you attend party for free and you make money. Is that not crazy? For you attending party and you are making money. Okay, so I'm going to show you how much you can make by attending party, going for sporting events, attending concerts. So right now, if you can make, so right here, if you are charging $20 per hour, then in a week you'll have get $480 in a week. Then in a month you will have make $1,920 in a week. Then in a year you will get $23,040. If you are charging $50 per hour to become friend with people, then in a week you will make $1,200. In a month you will get $4,008, and in a year you get $57,600. If you charge $20 per hour, we charge $20 per hour working full time. This is working part time. This is working full time. That's 5 days in a week. Then in a week you get $800 in a week. Then in a month you get $3,200. Then in a year you will have make $38,400. Now, what if you charge $50 making friends or being friend with people, working 5 times in a day? So what you make in a week is $2,000. Then what you make in a month is $8,000, and what you make in a year is $96,000. Okay, this is a lot of money just by you attending some functions. So now, what do you really do to make this money? What are the things that you have to do? What are the list of some things that member that will contact you for will ask you to be doing? So first, people will request that you attend sport events. People will ask you to attend family function, maybe donation or giving tours for you to travel. So I'm going to tell you things that you need to do or to write so that you get people that are paying highly. So people will ask you that, okay, they want to go to beach. Can you go to beach with them? A lot of people are going to shopping and they are looking for people that will accompany them. So you want to make money by just going shopping with people. You want to play video games and make money, and a lot of them. So right now I'm going to jump to the website where I'm going to show you how you can make this money right now. So without any delay, so I'm going to the website right now to share with you how to sign up, how to set up your account. There are two methods to sign up, so you don't want to miss or you don't want to do it wrongly, because okay, you don't want to do it wrongly. So I'm going to show you the exact way to sign up so that you get people who will be requesting for your attention. Okay, so right now I open my browser. When I open my browser, what I want to do right now is open a new tab. Then I'm going to do some search. So I'll say rent a friend. So you see it here, rentafriend.com, rentafriend.com. Okay, so I will also drop the uh, link at the description of the video so that you can quickly go and sign up and create your account. So right now you can see that Rent a Friend has friends from around the world available for hire. So COVID-19 updates May 2022, states and countries are starting to lift their restrictions. So people are now starting to socialize back to people. They want to rent a friend to play some sport with them or share hobby with. They want to rent a friend to drink with them at the club and a lot of that. So what you just want to do is just sign up, then get people that is looking to hire you to go out with them or to attend dinner right with them. Okay, so what you want to do right now is you want to click on join now. So don't just jump and leave this video because you've seen the website. So right here you can see that you see become a friend, then you see uh, become a member. So become a friend, then become a member. Okay, so what you are going to sign up as is, as you can see from here, it said become a member allow you to search and contact any of the friends on website from around the world. Okay, so this is the one that we actually want to sign up for. Said this will allow you to become a friend, post your profile. So what you want to write inside your profile, I'm going to tell you right now. So what you want to write in your profile now is, okay, you are available to travel, you are available to go anywhere, do shopping, attend sporting events, attend functions, be it family or friends events, attend dinner and the rest. So just make sure that you write things that capture everybody's attention. Okay, so this will make you more popular right on this website. Okay, so if I click on read more right here, if I click on read more right here, then you see you can earn up to $50 per hour. Okay, so you can scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, then you see what I recently showed you right here. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is I'll scroll down a little bit. I'll scroll down a little bit. Or okay, let me just go back. Let me just go back. Then click on this sign up as friend by email. Okay, so when you click on that, then it will take you to this page. So you can see that there's no form right here. So this is what I was saying exactly. So when we come to the sign up page, there's no form right here. So what you want to do is you want to come to this place. You want to scroll back up to how to get started. So this is the instruction that you need to follow. Said first you need to fill out our application. Once you are approved, usually within an hour of sign up, your profile is made live on rentafriend.com. People can search for you through a zip code, city or country. Okay, so where did we now get the application form? So if you scroll down, then you are going to see the application form right here. So how do I get started? It's simple, just fill out the application form, then you will be emailed within a few hours to confirm your membership. Okay, so from here you can see you just have to fill your, so you'll be contacted a few hours to confirm your membership. If you have any question you can contact them right here, so you can contact them right from there. Okay, so we will be accepting new friend application soon, so which means the application is not being accepted right now. So when I first sign up right on this platform, the application was going, but right now they've closed the application. So what you can do is because you have to click on this one first, click here to add your email address and we'll notify you when application is so when you click that, then you'll be asked to provide your email address. Okay, so you'll be asked to provide your email address. Okay, so when the page load up, you can just provide your email address, then you click on subscribe. Okay, so this is very simple. So let's do a quick recap of what we've talked about in this video. So in this video, people are paying people for becoming their friend. People pay people because they attend events, dinner, club, sports, events with them. So what you want to do is you want to sign up on this platform and make sure that you put in things that you are ready to attend. Then people will search for you by your zip code, by your city name, or by true friends. Okay, so with this you can make a lot of money from $20, $50 as part time or full time, and you can earn up to $96,000 in a year. Okay, I hope this video met you very well, and I hope you find this video very useful. So without any doubt, or if you have any doubt, please drop your question at the comment box. I'm going to respond to them. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content centered around making money online. Thank you very much. See you some other time.